Well, if you're new to RVing, one of the grave mistakes that we have when it comes to our black tank is leaving that black tank valve open. Hey, welcome to another one of Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the National RV Training Academy. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Now, I get it that a lot of people think, hey, we'd like to get this thing immediately flushed out, but here's the problem. That stinky slinky is actually connected to the septic system, and where the septic system is, that's where all the gas is, okay? So we're gonna have a lot of fumes and everything else come up. Well, outside of your toilet, you have nothing stopping those gases from entering inside the coach. So what's going to happen is as soon as you flush, you're going to have all that black tank stuff come up. Now, here's the thing. It's very stinky. So what you want to do is make sure that you keep that gate valve closed until you're ready to dump. And the best time to dump is when you're about 3/4 full of the tank, and then you just release it all out. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and close it back up and then fill it back up with about 5 to 7 gallons of water. Now, the reason why you want to do that is you want to make sure that whenever you drop something into that tank, there's water inside that will help break it down. And there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers. There's your tech tip.